Good.
What up, guys? It's your boy King Joffy Joe 413 back with another one. What's going on, guys? How you guys doing? Chilling? You already know me. Chilling like always. So, I ain't even gonna tell y'all what we're doing this week. We're just gonna get to it because y'all watched last week's video and y'all know what we're doing. Right? Nah. Well, we got hair intake. I know a lot of y'all was like, you said you wasn't gonna get the intake. You know what I'm saying? My man's from T-Rex Fab sent this over for me. Saber Turbo intake. You know what I'm saying? I'm gonna put the link in the description for y'all so y'all can get yourself one. They got them in red, black, and silver, I think. Comes with the little dust cover for the K&N. I know the other company that sells one. You gotta buy that separately. You get like $28 or something like that. This one comes with the thing. You know what I'm saying? Got everything you need for it. You know what I'm saying? So you know when you do these, you gotta clamshell your bike. Really, I already clamshell. I can see I clamshelled mine already because I went on my YouTube and I checked out Bill Ramsey's video and just watched his video and learned how to do it. You know what I'm saying? You know what we don't do over here is kick a dead horse. You know what I'm saying? He already did an hour video on how to clamshell this. You know what I'm saying? So I ain't gonna take my time to do it because y'all can go to his video, more details, and I'm gonna give you. I'll probably like, all right, I'm gonna show you guys how to clamshell. Just throw you in a time lapse and then it'll be done. You know what I'm saying? That's what I'm probably gonna do. So we're not even gonna do that. We're just gonna throw you a link for Bill Ramsey, or y'all know who Bill Ramsey is. So now what we're gonna start. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna get rid of this big box here. You know what I'm saying? We're gonna throw this on there. So we throw this to the side real quick. So we're gonna give y'all some footage to this week. We're gonna show y'all. We're gonna show you. I got all the screws in there and shit. We're gonna pull this box off real quick. So we got one screw down here, 10 millimeter. So this screw I think you reuse. And alright, so I don't know how many screws is in this because I didn't watch the whole video for Bill Ramsey, but take a look over here. Let me take a look at front here. Yeah, there's another 10 millimeter up top. Another 10 millimeter going straight down right here. Right up top. That screw up there. So that box is loose. Coming on that side now. Coming to that side. Alright, we got that loose. So now we got a clamp here that's holding the tube to the intake of the bike. So we're just gonna loosen that clamp up right there. We got this hose right here we gotta take off. Use pliers, loosen that up, pop that hose off. I already did that, you know what I'm saying? Preparing. Take this right here. Pop that up like that. Boom. Alright, we got a zip tie right here we gotta cut. Cut the zip tie right here. Right here. Boom. Zip tie's gone. Let's go back to the other side. Come to the other side, guys. Let me show you. It's out. Look at that space. Oh, it makes me want to paint my transmission. That's what it makes me want to do. Alright. So now we're about to install the other one. Give me 1 second, guys. I gotta use the bathroom real quick. 1 second. We'll be back right after these messages. Alright, guys. So, let's swing around to the other side real quick. Alright, we're gonna be throwing this intake on first. We're gonna start with this little tube here. So, we're not gonna tighten it up. We just want to make sure we put it on here so that our hose clamp is accessible. So, we're gonna put the hose clamp that way. So, when we stick this down on here, we can spin the hose clamp this way. Spin it around this way, and we'll be able to reach it. We want to get this all the way down to the bottom. And how it was before, it was like something like this. Maybe we'll put it like that right there. That look good. I think I can reach it right there. Grab a screwdriver real quick. Now we got Got that right there. We can reach it right here. So tighten this up. Make sure we got it the same all the way around. Tighten. You can use a socket if you want, but I had a screwdriver close to me, so flathead or regular. Yes, sir. Perfect. Nice on there, nice and good. Swing back around the other side, guys. So, what I didn't do is yet was take out my trunk. It's like how Brad Ramsey did it. He took out his trunk so you can reach this screw after. I didn't do it. I didn't take out my trunk. I'm just going straight from here. We're just gonna throw this on there. We're gonna add. We're gonna use a socket. I'm gonna grab my bracket here. That T-Rex sent me over. With the that goes with the intake. So this nut and bolt comes with, obviously. Thick ass Ziploc bag. This shit thick as fuck. All right, shit thick as hell. And they rolled it up and taped it. Nigga can't even get up in this shit. What the fuck? So now we're just gonna throw this bracket on here. I don't know if it matters which side is the top and the bottom. We're gonna just try it like this for now. Screw the bolt on there, leave it nice and loose real quick. Slide this into here. Steady. This is gonna go to here. So we're just gonna take a screw, put a screw in there, just to hold that in place. And just make sure to get this in there enough. Oh, that feels good there. It's pretty far in there. We got a hose here. Goes on here, like so. We got a clamp that we got to slide down. Got a clamp. We're gonna grab our pliers. Wrong kind of pliers. Pliers don't work. All right, well, let's tighten up this screw here. So we got the socket for there. All right, there we go. All right, guys, so now I got that. Got some different pliers. Smitty hooked me up with some different pliers. So we can grab this here. Slide that up to where it has to go. Boom. All right, now what we're gonna do is we're gonna tighten up these screws here, down here. We got a 10 millimeter on this side. So we'll grab our 10 millimeter that we just was using. Don't want to over tighten that, guys. Remember, it's aluminum. So these screws here, they're different size than that. Probably like a 12 or a 13. So grab some wrenches and check. 12, 13 should be ready. 13 on that side, and probably 13 on that side. Alright guys, so we got a 13 wrench and we got our 13 ratchet. And let's tighten this back up now. It's actually not a 13. Snug that down. It's not going nowhere. So we got that one tight. We got that clamp tight. We got this clamp tight here. That's basically it, guys. We got an intake on here. So I already clamshell mine. We're gonna drop this clamshell down. Watch me do this. All right, guys. So we're gonna be closing this up. I'm gonna let y'all see me close this up real quick. We'll probably just throw it on a time lapse real quick. You know what I'm saying? Because we don't want to waste your time. We know you got other stuff to do. Sit here and watch us do this. All right. So we're gonna throw it on a time lapse. All right, guys. So I'm just gonna end it like that, guys. Make sure y'all check out SaberTurbos.com. They get your intake, get your manifold. You know what I'm saying? My next video, I'm gonna be doing the install for the tune. So watch that. Watch after we do the install for the tune. You're gonna hear the startup, see the sound different, anything like that. I'm gonna take it for a couple of rips up and down the street like that. You know what I'm saying? Make sure y'all check out SaberTurbos.com. Make sure y'all check out TRexFab.com, KingJoffyJoe413.com. Very soon, I think probably like Tuesday. Actually, this is Friday already passed, so we ain't gonna talk about that. We're gonna cut that out. You know what I'm saying? We got my man Smitty over here being quiet. You know what I'm saying? First time he ever shut it up. He don't do that a lot. So, guys,